Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Y'all know I'm back to back with the hits. I'm back to back with the bangers. I'm giving y'all fresh face every time, y'all. Honest to God, that's why I don't do YouTube videos like that, because I be thinking I gotta come on here all dolled up and laid up and made up and all that good stuff, and I don't be feeling like doing that all the time. But y'all finna get the raw and real me. I don't have to always have on lashes and do a brow and all that extra stuff to come on here, and I'm finna get into that bag. So y'all, I'm so excited. I'm very excited. If y'all didn't know, then go back and watch some of my videos. Like, I remember when I first announced it to you guys, and I'm taking you guys on my journey, and I'm teaching you guys everything that I know and I find out. Every side hustle, every way to make money, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it once I have mastered and know how to do it for real. Like this next step, this next project that I'm going to introduce to you guys to how to make money and stuff like that. We're trying to make money online, period, all 2023. We're not trying to be working for nobody. Amen. Period. So I'm going to be sharing that with you guys very, very soon once I get the gist of it as well. But yeah, so let's get into this Pay Girl clothing. You didn't know, now you know. Your girl got a clothing brand called Pay Girl Clothing. You can follow us on Instagram at Pay Girl Clothing, and you can shop if you want to. The link will be in the description box below. Also, you can find us at paygirlclothing.com, Pay Girl Clothing on TikTok as well. We haven't been really posting like that for real because, you know what I'm saying, you know, we had to get our samples, and we're still waiting on our beanie samples, which is ridiculous, but we're gonna get into that. We're gonna unbox that with you guys as well too. So I ordered like just a mix and match of stuff that I just released or whatever. If you guys see anything you like, please go shop. I will be including a discount code of 20% off later on in this video. I'm very excited and I'm nervous, guys. I see like the design through the paper, but I had no idea this was coming yesterday. It came last night, and I'm like, damn, I wanted to do the video last night, but y'all know how that go. And excuse the noise in the background because they don't know what they're doing outside. It's real ghetto out there. It's real ghetto. I stay in the hood, y'all. I stay in the hood. We gonna keep it cute. The first thing I just grabbed something. We're gonna unbox it. It comes in this little packaging, and also, guys, this is from like drop shipping. This is I drop shipped this to myself. So this is a prime example. We gonna get into that, how to start drop shipping business. I ain't even did that video yet, but take notes. This is drop shipping. This was drop shipped to me. Hold on. It was drop shipped to me by my company, by the company I'm using, by the company I'm working with to upload some of my designs. Some of my stuff is going to be drop shipping, and some of it is going to be custom labeled. The stuff that's custom labeled, like my beanies, my two-piece set that's coming out as well, those I'm going to be sourcing, i.e. that's how I showed you guys how to find a manufacturer. But drop shipping is a whole nother thing. We're going to get into that really, really soon. But this is first glance. This is how it comes. I ordered a whole bunch of stuff. It's just a plain box, no logos or anything like that. Also, oh, I love that, baby. Hold up, I can't even show y'all the address. On the shipping label, it says Pay Girl Unit A. I don't even know where that's from, but it say Pay Girl on the shipping label. Y'all, it's a wrap. They do all this, it's a wrap. So it comes in like a plain box if you order a lot of stuff, I guess, and this is how it comes. No, like, they're not trying to brand, they're not trying to basically, like, you know what I'm saying, promote their sales or anything like that. You know how some companies, they'll try to slip in some promotion for their business and for their brand and stuff like that. They don't do nothing like that. I see, like, it's nothing in here. I think the receipt was in here. I believe the receipt is in here, but I don't know where it is. But we're not going to look for that. So the first thing I grabbed, the first thing I wanted to unbox was this tank top, this crop top. I'm loving it. This is how it looks. But yeah, this is how it looks. And I don't like these people walking through my window looking at me record. Yes, I'm recording for you too. Don't be looking at me. Walk on by and mind your business. What's wrong with people? So this is the little crop top. It is a little small for me. This is a medium/large. I also put my logo on the inside, one of my logos on the inside as well. It is a cotton material. It's actually very soft. It doesn't stink. The material is giving, it's like I don't even know how to explain the material that the graphic is in. I really don't understand, but this is one of my rough drafts for my first official drop that, you know what I'm saying, I just designed, like spur of the moment type stuff, and I brought it to life. It's like so good to see like your design come to life, y'all. I really love this. Like, I love it. Actually, I'm actually going to be promoting my own stuff. That's why I got sizes for myself because I don't have no models. I don't got no friends. It's tragic. I'm gonna take you guys on a journey. How to model your own clothes with no friends. That video gonna be next. How to model your own SHI, because starting out, you don't got a lot of money, you know what I'm saying, or a big budget. If you do got a big budget, okay, cool. But if you starting out like me and you don't got a big budget, I already done had a big budget. I done spent a lot of money on this stuff now, don't even lie. I done spent a lot of money into this. But you know what I'm saying, when you just have limited supplies, you gotta work with what you got, period. But I love this, y'all. I really do. I love it. I love seeing it come out. It looks just like how I designed it. And so what's next? I don't wanna, I'm scared. Okay, so next is another crop top that I made as well. This is what it looks like. It says "Paid Girl" on there across the way. I am going to probably like put these on sale or do away with these for real, because I don't really like how this look. I don't like how the pink not really popping on this shirt, but it's still cute. But I might just bring the price down a little bit for these crop tops because I don't like how they look. Oh, for real. It looks good on camera. It do look good, y'all. It do. I might just be being picky. I might just be being extra and picky. But yeah, this is one of our other Pay Girl crop tops as well. And y'all, I'm going to be ordering every drop I have. Of course, I'm going to show you guys. Of course, I'm going to unbox it with y'all. Period. This is my first real life reaction with y'all. Like, I love sharing these moments with y'all. So we're going to open the big stuff last, okay? Big stuff going last, like hoodies and stuff like that is going last. And I ordered all of these items. Y'all ain't gonna believe how much all this stuff cost, y'all. I decided to do a regular shirt like with the logo of one of the shirts. This shit look, I'm sorry, I'm cursing. I'm cursing. I'm just happy because I love how it looks. I love how these t-shirts, and then the quality. Oh my god, these shirts are so thick. Like, y'all ain't gonna understand. Like, I didn't use Gillian, whatever y'all know, whatever this is. I don't know what I use for real, but y'all see how the design is popping off the shirt? Be for real. I love how I designed it. I also designed, I'm going to be showing you guys how to design advanced logos, low-key, like the one I'm showing you guys on this shirt. That's what, I didn't do this by myself. I do have some design experience, but I did have a little help, and I'm going to show you guys that. And if y'all can remember what was on the crop top on the front, it's on the back of this. So this actually like coincides with each other. So I actually made like this little heart little thingy filled with the Paid Girl and the stars and stuff like that. And then I also did this logo in the front, which I really, really love. So it's Paid Girl, Paid Girl, Paid Girl. Cashy, cashy, cashy. Yeah. I said Paid Girl because we're paid. Pretty and paid. Period. That's our motto. I'm Paid Girl. You better recognize we get big bags over here. Yeah, not the big one, not the little one. Never. Never the little. And yeah, I'm finna get the pink ones, y'all. I just got the black one this time, but I'm finna get the pink ones. This is our trucker hats. Y'all. Baby, I was so worried these things were gonna be ugly, because they sent me, they was like, yo, we need you to edit this. I was like, whoa, it's gonna be stuck. I thought it was gonna be gray instead of white, but they did me justice. They did me justice with these trucker hats, and they not bulky-ish, they not ugly. Hold on, let me get out the frame so y'all can see. But do y'all see that? It's embroidered as well. I don't like how hats look on me. I would try it on. I don't like how hats look on me, y'all, but y'all see me. My head is big. Look at that. Egghead, egghead. No, for real. Let me. It's a snapback. Of course, it's trucker. The mesh in the back. Yeah. You see me. You see me with the logo. And I'm going to also put my other logos on there. Let me see if y'all. I got to get a close-up. You know I got to get the deets. Y'all see the deets? It's embroidered on a hat, which I really, really love, and it's really popping. Nothing is smushed together. Nothing is not legible. It's all legible. Yeah, and the designs you can really see. You see what I'm saying? I was worried that it was going to blur together. I don't like that. But, you know, it didn't do that. I told you I don't like how my head look with hats. Especially I got this wig on. Baby. It's giving bulky. I love it, though. I love it. This is how it looks on me. It ain't gonna look like this on y'all. It ain't even all the way on my head, for real. But y'all see her. I got a pink one. We got pink. We got red. We got orange. What else? We got the colors. Come on. Come on with the come on. I don't like how I look with hats, y'all. I look ridiculous. But if you like how I love it, I'm gonna have to learn to love it because I'm gonna have to model my own stuff. But yeah, I don't like how I look with it. I look like a gangsta girl. One more close up. One more close up. Yeah, get into it. Next, we got the hoodie. And I have a feeling that I'm not gonna like it. But we're gonna see what we're gonna do. Hold up. Hold the hell up. Hold the I thought this had a hood on it, bitch. Let me stop cursing. I thought this had a hood on it, y'all. This ain't got no hood. Oh! But it's alright though. It's alright. It's basically like the shirt, y'all. I got the Pay Girl on the front. No, it's not embroidered. But the material is different from the it's giving. But yeah, it's not embroidered because I ain't want to do no embroidered hoodies yet. I'm gonna do a custom logo and custom labeling with the embroidered stuff with my other logo. Fire! And I got the little heart on the back. Yeah. And I feel like this is it. So the last thing we got on our list, I'm just showing y'all black. I ordered all black. We have more colors of everything. Trust, we have more colors of everything. We have gray and pink in the sweatsuit, sweatpants, and we have tons of colors and the other stuff. So the sweatpants, the logo is embroidered. I don't really think I should release, I could, an embroidered hoodie with this, but yeah, I love it. I love me some good quality sweatpants. The sweatpants is good quality. It has a string. It got pockets. Yo, the quality. Yo, I gotta get a close-up for y'all. Y'all see her. The quality on this is amazing. The stitching, the pockets, the quality. Excuse my little stomach, y'all. But yeah, the pockets on it got a pocket on the back. Yeah. No loose stitching, and on top of that, it's embroidered on there. I'm sizing her up on me. What size are these? A medium. I should have got a small. I done got skinny, y'all. But yeah, this is a medium. It looks big on camera, but in person, it probably fit me real good. It probably give me a little space or whatever. But yeah, I'm most definitely gonna wear these. I ordered the right size. So now let's get into the logo. Let's get into her. I love it. It's embroidered. I just love the fact that they do embroidery for so cheap. This is what the logo looks like, y'all. It's embroidered just like the hat. So yeah, this is phase what? 1.5. Phase 1.5 is now out, y'all. We will be dropping some of the prices of the crop tops because I'm not really feeling those. I just feel like, I mean, they might look good on camera to y'all, but I don't know. It just, I like stuff to be perfect. Like, perfect before I slap my name on anything, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all, if y'all love this video, if y'all love me unboxing my samples, let me know. I will be unboxing my beanies whenever they come. Picture of the front. How the back hitting better than the front? How the back hitting better than the front? I thought the back was gonna be trash. On God, when I see that design, I said, I don't know about this one though. I think the back gonna be a little blurry. It's the front, the main attraction. And I'm sick of, what? I'm sick of these folk coming by looking at me, looking through my window. That's why I hate being on the bottom floor. And then it's like a walkway. Ooh, let me wrap this video up. Hopefully I don't make too much of a rant out of that, y'all. Want to support, the 20% off code is right here. Make sure you guys like this video as well. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys follow us on all of our socials in the description box below. Make sure you check out those links as well below. If you haven't watched my previous video, make sure you guys go check up on that. I'll see you guys later.